Here we got a 1300 3-shank ripper. It is a, they call it a subsoiler 1300. It is a Great Plains. It's got a lot of high dollar options. These are heavy duty dual springs. You can see the shank protectors barely wore. It does have a beater on the back. Take care of clods. What an awesome and very, very nice, very heavy duty for its size. The shank height is about 2 feet to right there, which you're only going to rip to about there probably. So the shank protectors, you can see the original paint's barely off. Does have a light kit on it. Just 3-point hookup. Got the gauge wheels that are crank adjust. Everything is in order and very, very nice. If you all need a 3-shank subsoiler, I don't know, your next step from this would be to buy new.